In this video I'm going to show you how to tighten up the sockets in this Breezair motor signal connector. Sometimes you get a bad connection in here and thermal overload won't come on, therefore it'll think the motor's overheating, or the motor might get stuck in one position when you go to run the fan and it gets sort of locked in that position. That can be caused by these sockets having the contacts blade open too far and not making good connection with the pins on the circuit board. So this is how you tighten them up. Insert a clothespin into at the side of the socket, and then pull it in to the center, and do it again on the other side. Push it over there, and then keep doing this for all of them. You can see that that's closing them up. Oops. That'll be harder to push back into the connector on the board now, but it'll make a good connection and that should solve the problems.